Hi guys, today we brought a new solder station, Jabe solder station. You have looked. It's a handle, it's a brass metal ball, sponge at the host, tips at the power cord. Now let's collect the power and check its work. The host has a different hole for the different handles, and you can put the tips on here. It can be used to replace and install the different tips. Now let's install and replace the tips. Here is cooling system. Its switch, power port, header port. It has 6 teeth to provide the stable input. Ground wire port. Now we have collector power and turn on the switch. The screen has shown its ring temp temperature 200 degrees. From here, you can set your temperature easily. Now the temperature is 269. You can set it to 280. Look here, it's 280. From here, we can know the minimum temperature is 50 and the maximum temperature is 520. You can add the main menu from the middle button. That has different settings. From here, station setting, tool setting, counter, version, other setting. At the first one, you can change pin, power, temperature unit. And here the mixer them at the minimum temperature, and you can lock up or lock the beep. The tool menu, the tool setting. You can set the different temperature. From here, you can set 3 levels. The different levels or back. You can set different information from here. Now let's check the change of the temperature. The screen has showed its ring temp temperature. Now clean the tip. Now let's use the solder station to apply the solder paste on the motherboard. In the video, we have shown the operation of the solder station. It can reach from room temperature to 350 in 2.5 seconds. So it's a very practical tool for iPad repair, for phone repair, and for PS4 repair. And you can buy all the accessories in the video. Thank you for your watching.